High wind warning information for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Gage, Lancaster, Saline, Saunders, and Seward. High wind warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. Thursday. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. Thursday to noon Central Standard Time Friday. What? For the high wind warning, northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. For the wind advisory, northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Colfax, Butler, Saunders, Douglas, Sarpy, Seward, Lancaster, Saline, Jefferson, and Gage counties. When? For the high wind warning, from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. Thursday. For the wind advisory, from 6 a.m. Thursday to noon Central Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Wind advisory information for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, Page, and Pottawatomie, and the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Johnson, Nemaha, Odo, Pawnee, and Richardson. Wind advisory in effect from midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Friday. What? Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of southeast Nebraska and southwest Iowa. When? From midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.